And welcome back to part 2 of the E30 project. Today I'm going to be going over the whole ignition system because last time, if you saw part 1, it was struggling to drive around and even stay idling. Seemed like it had a misfire or two. So I just broke down and got new distributor, new wires, and new spark plugs. So I'll show you how to put those in, and I'll let you listen to the car idle right now, show you how bad it is. But first, let me show you what I did to the interior. As you can see, I put down some new duct tape where the old duct tape was, so I would call that a complete restored interior. And let me try starting this up for you, see if you can hear the misfire. That was a starter sticking. I'm just going to pretend that I didn't hear that. But right now, it's running a little rough. So I'm going to take out the spark plugs and see what they say. So here's everything I picked up off of Rock Auto for this. And here's your distributor, your wires, and your spark plugs. You're probably wondering why they say Ford, but the reason why is because they're actually the cheapest for any spark plugs on the website. I think at like less than $1. So I'm a budget-minded guy, so they're going in. Alright, so first I'm going to start by taking off the distributor, which is basically 8mm, and there's 3 bolts, so you don't even have to save them. Mine has 3 brand new bolts, so I wouldn't really recommend using it. I'm pretty sure, I don't know how old they are, but anyways, enough talking, we'll take it off. It's a bit tight in here with all the hoses, but should be able to get to them. Alright, that one is loose. Don't be afraid to get rough with the hoses. Grab them, pull them out of the way. It should just slide out. Oh, there you go. That's easier than I thought. Woo! Yeah, that's... She's seen some miles. I'm just gonna put this off this side right now. And unfortunately, I forgot a rotor for the distributor. So I'm just gonna maybe try cleaning that up. Maybe if I take sandpaper, clean that up a bit, it should be fine. Let's fold it. There we go. A little bit more at the bottom. Let's see, a little bit more. Done. Good enough. All right, next I'm going to take off these 2 holder downer thingies for all the spark plug wires. And those are a 10mm. Come on. Break that one loose too. That one and that one. Put these all super safe. So right now I'm just going to put the new cap on, get it out of the way. Come on, get in there. Line it up. Come on, stop fighting. Please be on there. Ooh, we got one on there. Oh, hit my thumb. That's sharp. I think I got another one. Might be cross-threaded, but if it's on, it's on. Oh, broke something else. Come on, fan, out of the way. All right, well now I got the distributor cap tightened down. I'm gonna take my new wires, put them on here. And if you're confused how to do that, take this and then kind of match them up.
Usually they should all be numbered if you got a decent set like mine. You see here, you got numbers. These ones are printed on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Now you can start probably pulling these off. Oop, one more behind here. I would keep this attached like that, just in case if you did cross up a wire. And if it's your first time doing this, you always go back and look at where everything goes. Let's check, see how these spark plugs are. Can I get it by hand? Nope. Come on. Any day now. All right.
So I pulled the first spark plug. It doesn't seem too bad, but the other ones could be different. I don't know. I haven't pulled them yet. If I have a bad one that's well worse than this, I will show you guys. But since I already have 6 new ones, might as well just put it in. If you look, that one doesn't have the top. So all you gotta do is unscrew it, and it plugs in like that.
Looking at the spark plugs, they don't seem that bad. I think they're just old and worn out. So it'll basically look like that. It's not too bad.
All right, so now, so you got the old ones out and all that, you wanna make sure your new ones are gapped. As you know, it's quality German engineering. They need to be gapped properly. You get rid of these ones, and then you get your old checker and gapped.
You also want to take your spark plugs and get the right torque specs on them. You don't want to mess anything up. So, and click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. All right, now I'm gonna throw this back on. All right, and now I can slap these back in. They should be in the correct order. If they're not in the correct order, I'm gonna have a very unhappy car. Okay, that should be on. Now we'll try fire her up and see how she sounds. Oh yeah, she's got much healthier now. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Throttle a bit. Oh yeah, not bogging down anymore. Nice. All right, let's take her for a little test drive. See how she does. Last time I did that 0 to 60 in sport mode, I think it was like 18 seconds, something terrible. So maybe now, I'm gonna go for 15s. Let's go. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive. I let it warm up. And it just keeps running a bit rough. It's like, and I just had to jump start it too. So I think I might need a new battery in the future. Checked all the belts out, they're still on. All right, let's try to do a 0 to 60 test. Okay. Oop. This thing will die out. 1, 2. Power is in the top end of the car. I have the light out. Something. Oh, that's weird. This car's acting up. Yeah, she's running a bit rough still. I don't know what the temperature is at. Since the gauge is not working, I still haven't gotten anything to fix that yet, so let's just pull her back in the shop. Uh-oh, she's died on me. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, almost there. Uh-oh. Oh, she's dying on me. Quick, better pull it into the shop. Come on. Oh. She's dead. Oh. Nothing. Huh. I literally cannot believe how lucky I just got. Like, no joke, the car just died when I was just pulling it in. So, I did have to jump start it, like I said. I don't know if it's just a bad battery or the alternator. I'll have to check both, but literally, it just... So, I found another issue. But I think this is going to end this episode with part 2 of the E30 till I figure out what's actually wrong with it. So, till then, thanks for watching.